came? So many years back. That is. Sometimes I felt like that I watched the movies, Lifetime movies. So Lifetime movies, like suppose in a year, how many movies you'll watch? Generally. In a year, how many movies you'll watch? Tell me, Saurav. Every day one movie, 365 movies, huh? Sunday only. Every day one movie is impossible, right? Nowadays. I watch many movies now.
This meeting is being recorded.
Yesterday I went to see to buy one house. They're saying 2 crores. 2 crores. 2 crores per house. Arey wah. That is in Bandlaguda. I understood because of coca pet they increase the rates. That is an independent house, G plus 1. ఆస్తులన్నీ అడిగేస్తున్నారు వాళ్ళమ్మ. అదే కదా బాధ. నేనేమో అంత రిచ్ కాదు. Why only 18 members are submitted? You didn't complete it on Saturday? This part. Huh? Ujma, you submitted? Why only 18 members, ma? Where are others? Yamini, Abdul, Abhinav, Abhishek, क्या हुआ अभिषेक? अर्जुन, अनुदीप, अविनाश किधर है? Avesh Khan, why don't you submit the assignment? File handling. अरे you people are good students, you are not uploading, then who will upload Avesh Khan? Bhairavi, क्या हुआ माँ? Bhumika, who is Bhumika in our class? No one. Devika, Dilip, Ganesh, Gaurav, Geeta Reddy, Arshini, Jayant, Navina, కుమార్ क्या हुआ కుమార్ ఎక్కడున్నావు కుమార్ ఏమైంది చేసినా కానీ రాలేదా ఇక్కడ సబ్మిట్ చేయవా అరే రాహుల్ లోకేష్ మానస మహేందర్ లోకేష్ రెడ్డి మేఘా మోనాలి మురళి ఎక్కడున్నాడు మురళి ఇంకా రాలేదు నమ్రత సకోర్ నమ్రత నవీన్ నిఖిత వాట్ హ్యాపెన్ మా నిఖిత వై డోంట్ యు సబ్మిటెడ్ ప్రగతి ప్రశాంత్ ప్రియా क्या हुआ మా ప్రియా ప్రియాంక కుమారి వేణు వచ్చాడా సాయి తేజ సాయి కిరణ్ శంకర్ ప్రధాన్ షేక్ అంజా శ్రావ్య సృష్టి సురేందర్ ఉమామహేశ్వరి వీరాంజనేయులు you people are not submitted or you people are not done it? Can you please confirm the chat? What happened? Nikita, what happened, ma Nikita? Why didn't you submit it? Priyanka, Stravya, what happened? Tell me. How many are not submitted in the class? Raise your hands. Not submitted. Saurav, what happened? Not done. Why you are not in that group? You are in the evening group. Exit karo there, no? Ask Rajesh sir. Remove from there, come to here, no? What happened, ma? You are not done in the class? అయిపోలేదా క్లాస్లో? మీదే రావట్లేదా? అరే నన్ను అడగాల్సింది నువ్వు. అంటే క్లాస్లో కూర్చోబెట్టి అసైన్మెంట్ చేయమన్నా కూడా సబ్మిట్ చేస్తలేరంటే మీరు గ్రేట్ అబ్బా, చాలా గ్రేట్ మీరు. అంతే కదా మనీ. క్లాస్లో కూర్చోబెట్టి కూడా అసైన్మెంట్ చేయమంటే చేయట్లేదంటే so let's start the statistics. Submit it. If you are not submit, everything I'm tracking, that is. One day I will give sudden shock to you all. So we completed Python part 1, part 2, ma. Python level 1 is completed. Python level 2 is completed. Python level 3 is there. Python level 3 is there. That is called OOPS concept is there. OOPS concept and creating packages, class objects and all these things, that is. But Python is your lifetime now. Okay. That means we will learn Python. Flask also we will learn. Create frameworks. And we will learn Streamlit also we will learn. Streamlit, creating apps. Not only that, we already seen the generative AI we learned last time, right? Generative AI we learn how to connect the APIs also we learn. Like every Saturday we will learn one new thing. So this Python level 1, level 2, I hope I given my best. Something you learn. Before starting class, now after 1 month, have you seen the difference among yourselves in the Python itself? Some people are doing really great. Some people are yet to come to that position. But what I observed is you are doing. Okay, you are understanding. You are thinking that I understood that is. But don't leave that, because Python is your lifetime now. Python is your lifetime. So the good sign is everyone is trying to give their best. Everyone is trying to give their best. That's a good motivation. Those, if anyone is there not still doing, means there is up to them. I can't do anything. I trained, I know what I know, I have given the everything, that is. Now it is for you, depends. And there is a statistics part is there now. Of course, 10 classes are there. Suppose, assume that statistics are 10 classes are there. So you have almost a 15 days time left. 15 days time left to revise your Python concepts. We done very good interview questions in the Python. Good questions, and 15 days of buffer time I have given. Once this 15 days is over, again we will do EDA with Python. At the time, you might use your old one, level 1, level 2, the Python things. Okay, Afan. You have how many times left now? 15 days time left now. Okay. This statistics part is very important, ma. Yeah, Srishti. Not only you, so many are done, many assignments are pending is there. Statistics is very important, ma. It is like a bridge. It is a bridge actually. Whenever those who are want to go to the ML, right? It is a bridge kind of thing. Once you know the ML, then only you know the deep learning, then NLP. These all are interlinked. So statistics part is very important. That is, don't sleep in the class for next 10 days. I'll give my best to avoid your sleep. Okay, to avoid your sleep. So I can teach you the best in statistics more than that Python. You already seen my teaching in the Python. So statistics I given the more than that. That is. So don't sleep in the class, okay? If you got the sleep the class, just go and come like this. Then understood this guy is getting sleeping. So let's come to here. Statistics. Yeah. First question is, what is statistics? Tell me, whenever you hear the statistics word, what comes to your mind? Tell me. Abba. Mean, median, mode. Next. Oh, what others will come? Whenever you hear statistics word, what will come? Mention in the chat, Mart. Don't sleep. Today is Monday, I know. Mention in the chat. Whenever you hear the statistics word, what comes in your mind? Tell me. Bolo na. What comes to your mind? Nothing will come in your mind. Only mean, mode, median. Huh? Graphs. Arey. Tell me. Data presentation probability. 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 Data presentation. Data presentation. Then next what? Probability. Deviations. Deviations. Tell me next. What comes in your mind? Suri, tell me what comes in your mind. Distribution. Distribution. Tell me. Tell me, Deepak, what comes to your mind when your statistics word? Maths. Maths will come. Okay, maths. Maths comes to your mind. Analysis will come. Analysis. Everything is correct, ma. Everything is correct. Okay, no denying that. See, in AI, in data science world, no debate. Only tell me, only discussion. Only discussion. No debate. It is a group discussion. In the AI world, it is just a discussion. If somebody can't deny you, they can't debate you. If you say that statistics, sir, whenever I hear the statistics, I remember the probability means I can't debate you. You are wrong. You are right. Whenever you hear the statistics, you will get a probability, you will get a remember. You will get a remember of mean, mode, median. You will get a statistics and deviations and so many things. But always remember that statistics, you need to learn like a story. Like you need to explain to your grandfather. I always tell you this scenario, you need to explain to your grandfather. Yesterday, my father came to Hyderabad. So he came from my native place and he has onboarded at JBS Jubilee bus stand. So he asked me to come to that station, metro station. I said, I will not come. I will guide you. You should come to here. Because tomorrow I will not be available. How can you come? So now I will teach you. That is. Now tell me, how can you teach you to your father? That is. With what normal mobile? That's the storytelling. He came. Okay, whatever I said to him, exactly he came. That is. Now, again, what happened? We went to some office in the Jubilee, Banjara something, Banjara road number 3. So he's asking, now you are coming into street to street that, how can I come next time? He's asking me. So how can I explain that? How can I explain to make understand this? I said Banjara road number 1, road number 2, road number 3. He's not understanding that because the road numbers are not there in our local villages, right? We have Madhura Nagar, we have Tilak Nagar, we have Surendra Nagar. Nagars we have generally. Or colonies we have. And yesterday we sent to see home and we come to around a high-tech city way. And again he is confusing, what is this area? How can I understand? If you want to come to our home, how can you come? It is so far. So our home is that side, Jubilee bus stand side, Siddipet Road, Karimnagar Highway. How can you come like that? He's asking, he's thinking all these things. Why are going to this route? Because iTech City is near to me, my software companies are there. So can't you get the homes there? He tried to understand the area. Now he's asking me that how can I understood these routes? So I am thinking that I need to explain the story to him. How can I make to him understand? The storytelling is very, very important. Storytelling is very, very important. So I know I'm a good storyteller. My wife knows that. Now, so statistics also, it is a kind of a, you need to like a story, ma. Statistics you need to like, because we need to deal with clients, right? So I talk to clients. I talk to client. I generally give the more examples to the client on the spot. I can create the examples on the spot. I can able to explain to them. Like that also you need to learn. You need to come out of your developer mode. You need to come out of your developer mode. You need to talk to your father or grandfather. Always think about that. How can you explaining a subject without doesn't know anything a guy? That question you need to always keep on your mind. That is called a good storyteller. A data science and good storyteller. Okay. I'm not joking. That is a very, very important. Data science, storytelling. Storytelling. It is very, very important. See, Analytics Vidya is published that article. Data storytelling is very, very important. How to tell a great story with data. How to tell a great story with data. Let's come to here. Suppose there is something is there. Virat Kohli ODI average is approximately 50. Okay, don't say that it is wrong. Okay, how much? See, that is approximately 60. Acha, gone from 50 to 60. I don't mind about 58 or 60 or 50, but Virat Kohli ODI average is approximately 60. Now I have one team is there. My team is called Saurav is one team. Suppose Affan is my team and Kumar is my team. Suppose. Now I ask them to now whether it is true or wrong. Whether it is true or false. I ask them because I am the research owner. They are my team. I ask them to is Virat Kohli ODI average really 50 or really 60? Is that true? Then I ask them to do it. Let's do some research. Then what they will do? Step 1. Tell me what they will do. Step 1. Tell me what they will do. What is the basic step? There no some English something is done now. Suppose a guy is knock your door around 4 o'clock. What you will open first? What you will open first? Eyes, no. I will open eyes. That kind of thing. Very, very basic one. Very, very basic one. What you will do? What you will do? If I ask you the task, what you will do? You'll go to internet and you'll go to open laptop. And what you'll search for that? Tell me, how can you do that? Take overall. Nikita saying that, she'll saying that take overall, run matches and play it and calculate. Yeah, tell me like that. Step 1, what you are doing? Data collection. Okay, Arun is saying that data collection. Data collection. Okay, that is step 1. What is step 2? Analyzer. Data interpreter. Data interpreter. So Affan will do data interpreter. Okay, and what will do? Think about yourself. It is not only Affan, it is not only Saurav, not only Kumar. Everyone in the class. Everyone in the class, think about that. What you will do? I have given the task. I have given that as first data collection. If data collection is given very beautifully to you, like kind of apple to you in your hands, it will come like that very beautiful way. It is might be a structured way, it might be a unstructured way. How can you export into CSV file? How can you export into a text file? That is what happened. Data, organized data, right? Whether it be organized or not organized. Maybe you'll organize the data. That might be a step 2. Organize the data. Organize the data. Next, what is step 3? Step 3, okay, you are analyze the data. Analyze the data. And next, what you will do? Step 4. After analyze the data, what you will do? Think about that, ma. Think about that. What are the steps you will do? Otherwise, Virat Kohli feel very bad. Now interpreter, you are doing the interpretation of data. Okay, let's do this. You are collecting the data, you are organizing the data, you are analyzing the data, then you are interpreting the data, and finally you are published to me. You will tell the story to me. So this is the story. Okay, you will explain about that. You will explain about that finally. Correct? So you are data collection the data, you are organizing the data, you are analyzing the data, you are interpreting data, and you are finally publishing about the insights. You are publishing the insight. So now this is the nothing but a definition of statistics. Can we say that? The definition of statistics. Next, Google the statistics definition. Statistics. Statistics. See, statistics is a collection, organization, analysis, interpretation, presentation. See, now you given the definition yourself. You don't do Wikipedia right now. You don't do Google it, right? You only told or not? That is the storytelling. That is the starting point. So what I am doing here, what I am doing, starting point, what I am doing, the same what you are doing, that is the definition only. But should we by heart this definition? No, right? So what you are doing, the starting point, that you need to explain. Okay, I am doing the first collect the data. My data is very big, unstructured. So I will organize the data. I organize the data. Then what is saying that analysis the data. Then analysis that what is saying that interpret the data. Interpret that next what is saying the present the data. That is only steps, right? From starting point to ending point. That is called statistics definition. That is called famous statistics. So for you, I'm just copying the statistics definition. And this is. Then Virat Kohli feel very good. So this you are doing. See, this is a statistics definition. So what is the statistics definition, ma? Collect the data, organize the data, analyze the data, interpret the data, present the data. Interpret the data, present the data. So whenever we say data, so in the data means there are two types of data will be available. Two types of data. Tell me, what are the two types of data? Structured, unstructured. Still, come. Raw data, clean data. Okay. So two types of data types. Tell me. Data types. What are the data types we have in Python? How can you represent the data? Anything in Python? Integer, float, string. Any data, either you can say 10 or TN10, correct? 10 or 10. So 10 is nothing but a number way, numerical way, and TN is nothing but what a English way. So that's why the famous R.S. Agarwal. What is the famous R.S. Agarwal book? Tell me, aptitude book only. What is the full form? Quantitative and qualitative. What is the famous book, ma? Qualitative. You know R.S. Agarwal? Qualitative aptitude book. Don't know R.S. Agarwal? Arey yaar. Really don't know? So R.S. Agarwal famous book is there. Quantitative and qualitative. Quantity. Quantity means who is the quantity? Quantity is nothing but a numerical data. Numerical data. Quality is nothing but categorical data. Categorical data. So we have mainly two types of data types will be available. One is a numerical type, another one is the categorical type. Numerical type is one more name is what, ma? Quantity. One more name is what? Quantity. Categorical data is one more name is what? Quality. Okay, try to make a notes. Okay, try to make a note. Don't, it is not a movie. Okay, make a notes, ma. Make a notes. One book should complete with statistics, one complete book. Okay. One book for statistics, one book for machine learning, one book for deep learning, one book for NLP. At least you write 4 books and print that, binding that and sell that. Okay. Yeah, people knows yes. Now quantitative and qualitative. So quantity is nothing but numerical data. Quality is nothing but categorical data. Okay. Now tell me at least who is famous for physics? Array author no, not Newton. Like R.S. Sir, who is famous for physics? H.C. Verma. At least you said this name. Thank God. Do you know H.C. Verma or not? Array. What do you know, guys? Do you know Shah Rukh Khan? But you don't know H.C. Verma. Very good butter. H.C. Verma. I learned physics because of H.C. Verma textbooks only. H.C. Verma volume 1, H.C. Verma volume 2. You don't. H.C. Verma is a very great man that is. He is, he will take the banana and he will put your mouth like that. His write-ups also like that only. You can study the physics for time pass also, not for like kind of writing exams. You can study the physics for time pass also. You can study the Indian history or Telangana history for time pass also, to knowing that, not for writing the exams. At least make habit at that instead of watching movies. Read more books. How many have habituated to read books? Wow, what a generation! A great generation. H.C. Verma is famous, ma. So we have a two types of data now. We already know that generally numerical type of data is one type of data, numerical type, and one more type is what, ma? Categorical type. Categorical type. So categorical nothing but a English. Categorical nothing but English. Numerical type is nothing but a numbers. Numerical type is nothing but a numbers. So generally in Python also, in numbers we divide into two parts. One is integer part, another one is what? Float top. Correct? In the same way, in generally in English subject may, like in generally numerical type, again we have two parts will be available. One is discrete. One is discrete and another one is continuous. Another one is continuous. Discrete and continuous. Discrete and continuous. So what is the examples of discrete? If I ask you, how many children you have? Tell me. How many children you have? How can you say? 0. Some people will say 1. Some people will say 2. But you will not say 2.5, right? Not say 2.5. It is discrete. Discrete is nothing but no 2.5. How many houses you have? How many houses? You will say what? 1 or 2. Okay. How many wives you have? You will say 1 or 0. Kind of, right? Now, same way, that means everything is a countable. It is just a countable is nothing but a discrete. Countable is nothing but a discrete. And continuous. Now, tell me the continuous examples. Tell me. Those who are getting sleep, tell me what is the continuous example? Discrete means you are countable. Discrete means some float should come, number. So continuous means the value should be continue. 2.5, 1, 2, 3, like that continue. Now tell me some example. In your body, only so many examples are there. Tell me. Hairs. Hairs also you can count, no? Tell me, what is your height? What is your height? Tell me. You will say 5.5 inches. 5.7. It is a discrete or continuous? Continuous. You are saying the decimal or not? Not. What is your weight? What is your weight? Something, right? Something, suppose 60.5 you will say. That is a continuous also. What is the temperature? What is temperature? Suppose 19.5 degrees. What is the human body temperature? Good temperature, we'll say. Tell me. 98 point? Huh? 98.4 or 5 or 6? 6 or 5 or 4? What is the human body good temperature? That is 400 degrees. So it is all what continuous, right? It is a point decimal. So simple, countable is nothing but a discrete. It is the float values coming is what? It is a continuous. So these are the examples of continuous and discrete. And categorical is only categorical only. Categorical is only categorical only. So let's take the type. Numerical, quantitative, qualitative. Yeah. So first is a numerical type. Numerical type, and another one is what? Categorical type. In a numerical type, what is the one more name is called? Quantitative. Quantitative type, and is what? Qualitative type. Qualitative type. Qualitative and quantitative. And in that again, quantitative, two types are there. Discrete type, and here what is there? Continuous type. Continuous type. Discrete and continuous. Understood now? Will you able to give the examples of this now? Everything? So this is generally a data type. Generally a data type. So this is the first part. Next part. Levels of data. What is this? Levels of data. So generally based on the numerical data and categorical data, we have some levels are there. Which is the most important? Which is the least important? Numbers are most important or sentences are most important? Tell me. Number is most important or sentences? What your thought? Where are the answers in the chat, ma? Numbers and chat. Numbers are sentences. People are saying numbers. Some people are saying both. Like how AI will take that? AI will take that in the input. Input can take anything. But how AI model is building is based on the numbers or based on the sentences? That is generally any model will be based on the mathematics, right? That's why math is very, very important. Even though if you are writing a true, you are writing a true for a computer, computer will take as a true. No, right? You will take what? True as what? 1. You understand? 1 only. So which is most important? Numbers are most important. That means numbers level is very high. Numbers level is very, if you want to give the rank, for numbers is highest rank, for category is the lowest rank. Numbers is highest rank, category is the lowest rank. And based on that, we have 4 levels are there. And first level is called nominal data. And second one is called ordinal data. And third one is called interval data. And fourth one is called ratio level data. Interval level, ratio level, ordinal level, and nominal level. 4 types are there. Nominal level, ordinal level, interval level, and ratio level. First 2, nominal and ordinal, first 2 related to categorical data. First 2 related to whom? Categorical. It is nothing but a categorical. Categorical. And this is also categorical type only. Under categorical, again 2 types. We can say like that. Categorical. Interval level data and ratio level data is the numerical. It is nothing but a numerical. Okay, there are 4 levels of data is there. One is nominal, ordinal, interval level, ratio level. Nominal level and ordinal level related to categorical data. Interval level, ratio level is related to numerical data. And you know who is categorical, who is numerical. That we are good. Let's come to the nominal level data. Nominal level means just a random names. Just a random names. It does not have any logic. Suppose if I say that a random names in our class, suppose if I say that Murali and Mani, Srikant, if I say like this, is there any difference between Murali and Mani? Murali is a different guy, Mani is a different guy. There's no relation at all, right? So you're randomly you're taking some names. Suppose you are saying that Hyderabad, Bangalore, Chennai, like this, some city names randomly. You are taking India, USA, or Australia, or UK. It is some random names. You don't know why you are taking. You are just simply taking the names very, very randomly. There is no difference at all. There is no relation between the names at all. And that is called nominal. Nominal. Nominal, if you search in the Google, what is coming nominal means? Search the Google. What is the nominal meaning? Everyone search the Google. What is nominal meaning? Nominal is just nothing but a noun. Just nothing but a noun. Being something a name, but not in reality. Yes, Rahul. Correct. Just a name. Any name randomly, that is called nominal. That should be in categorical. That should be in categorical. So next one is called ordinal. Ordinal means that names you can see some order. You can see some order. So if I ask you Tiger Naishwara movie, how was the movie Tiger Naishwara movie? If I ask you that flop, average, hit, super hit, blockbuster, are you able to see some difference or not? These are the categorical data only, but you will able to see the difference between the flop and average, after average, hit, super hit, and then blockbuster. So these are maintaining some order. These are maintaining some order. That's why it is called ordinal data. What is that, ma? Ordinal data. Now, if you say that, suppose education level, suppose primary, secondary, and tertiary. Tertiary. So this is also some order is there. Primary, then secondary, and tertiary. Some order is there. So if you see these kind of things, it is nothing but a ordinal data. And can you name it some any other things? Teenage, engage, old age. Okay. Any other? Tell me. Pass, fail. Okay. Pass, fail. Any other? Tell me. Sunday, Monday. What is the difference between Sunday, Monday, Tuesday? You know that every day is coming alternative day. Huh? Past, present, future. Okay, next. Tell me. Tell me some other things. First floor. Correct. Correct. First floor, second floor, third floor. So you can name it like that. 1, 2, 3 also, right? ONA 1, TWO 2, THRE 3. Like that also you can say. First class, second class, third class. Grade A, grade B, grade C. Now these all are what? Ordinal level data. Ordinal level data. Are you getting out the difference between nominal and ordinal? Clearly? Nominal is nothing but just a name. Ordinal is nothing but you have a order is there. Very good. Very good. Next, come to the interval level and ratio level. Interval level and ratio level. First of all, interval level, ratio level is under numerical data. Numerical data. Interval level and ratio level. So the main difference of interval level and ratio level is called zero scale. Very, very important question, ma. Zero scale. What is mean by zero scale? What means zero scale? In real time in coordinates, you have a negative values will be there and you have a positive values will there like this, right? Suppose I'm opening Paint. Suppose if I am writing here, I am a 0 should start here, 1 will start here and 2 here. Suppose you have a -1 is there and -2 is there and -3 is there. Those some metrics will stop at 0 only. That means it has a 0 scale. It has 0 scale. It has, you can say that it has. Those who are going to negative side also, that means it doesn't have a 0 scale. It don't have a 0 scale, correct? Can you tell me any metric that? A metric who doesn't have a 0 scale. Name it. A metric which does not have 0 scale. That means that you can say in negative values also. That means we can say in negative values also. Very good. What is the example, ma? Temperature. Temperature is the best example for does not have a 0 scale. Does not have a 0 scale. Best example and ultimate example, that is. Temperature does not have a 0 scale. So those who does not have a 0 scale, and that is nothing but a interval level. Those who does not have a 0 scale, does nothing but a interval level. Those having 0 scale, those metrics has 0 scale, nothing but is a ratio level. Ratio level. So those who doesn't have 0 scale is nothing but an interval level, and those who are having 0 scale, that is nothing but a ratio level. So let's go some more deep. So now you are observed that interval level, what is the best example interval level, ma? Temperature. Temperature is the best example of interval level. Now your interviewer will ask you this question. Temperature is which level of data? Which level of data? That is the question. Tell me what is your answer? Which level of data? Interval, ratio level? Say loudly. Interval level data. Interval level data. Now why is asking? Why? Why it is interval level data? Tell me why. What is the reason? Why can't it ratio level data? Temperature, okay. Sorry, saying that temperature can be negative. Temperature can be negative. Then I am the interviewer. Saurav is coming as a candidate. Okay, Saurav, let's do this. Now I given this task now. The temperature in Hyderabad is 50 degrees. The temperature in Bangalore is 25 degrees. 25 degrees. Can I say the Hyderabad temperature Hyderabad underscore TEMP equal to twice into Bangalore TEMP. Twice into Bangalore. So can I get the take ratio? Then why can't it ratio level? Can I get a ratio? Then why can't it ratio level? Why can't it be ratio level? Same question I will ask, ma. If anyone interview will come, this question only I will ask. Same question. This is generally I am asking nowadays. Generally. First I will ask the question is what? Temperature is which level of data? If you studied well, you will say that interval level. Okay. Then why I will ask? If you studied more, he'll say that no, sorry, it don't have a 0 scale. He said that correct also. Now then I will give this question. The temperature in Hyderabad is 50 degrees, Bangalore is 25 degrees, and can take a ratio. Then why can't it is a ratio level? Ratio is only positive. That is also positive, no? 2 by 1. Hmm. Temperature can be negative. Hmm. So, okay. I given this example, no particular example. Tell me. Because the temperature does not zero, it not twice always. Here 25 degrees and 50 degrees. Tell me, Uma Maheshwar. Tell me. For this particular, it is valid. Okay. For this particular, it is valid. Pakka. For this particular scenario, 2 by 1 is valid or not? For this particular scenario. Tell me. Everyone know ABCDs, right? Everyone know 1, 2, 3. And tell me particular scenario. Yeah, very good. But what happened, ma? Temperature does not have zero scale, correct? Zero scale. And temperature has different type of units. Temperature has different type of units. Suppose centigrades and Fahrenheit. Now convert into Fahrenheit. 50 degrees C, convert into Fahrenheit, how much? Tell me fast. 50 degrees convert into Fahrenheit, how much? We have Python code for this, no? Assignment. Tell me. How much? 122. Okay, 122, ma. Great, 122. And 25 degrees? Don't say 61. Okay, I will hit you if you say 61. 77. Now 50 by 25 equal to 122 by 77. Both are same. This is the reason. This is the reason it is not a ratio level. If you convert into other units also, the ratio will never equal. The ratio will never equal because temperature does not have a zero scale. Very, very important, ma. This is. I can challenge you 99%. Those who are data science doesn't know this. You can ask your friends. Not only that, you can ask in this building also. Your seniors, those who are does statistics. If you convert into centigrade to Fahrenheit and take the ratio of centigrades and take the ratio of Fahrenheit, it never equal. It is never equal because it is a plus 273 minus 273. That changes are there, right? Because negative values. Now same thing. If I say that my weight is 60 kgs, 60 kgs, and my kid weight is 30 kgs. Now 60 by 30, how much? 2, correct? Now convert 60 into pounds. 60 into pounds. And 30 into pounds. 1 pound is equal to how many kgs? 2.2. Now take a ratio of that. Same or different? Same or different? Same. Now that is the ratio level. Now that is a ratio level. That's why by it is the ratio level. It does it stop at zero scale only. Weight is stop at zero scale only. You say that weight is equal from 0 or minus 1. 0 only. Length also. You convert it into length into kilometer into meter. Kilometer, meter. Same value will come or not? Because start with what? 0. Start with what? 0. That's why those who doesn't have zero scale, it will never fall into ratio level. It will never fall into ratio level. This is a very, very important example. If you say this in interview will be very happy because it does not have in the textbooks. It does not have in the textbooks. So whenever my professor taught this, I got so many doubts on this. Okay, my professor actually explained this logic. My professor explained this. Thanks to Jaydeep Sen. You know Jaydeep Sen? He's very famous. Jaydeep Sen. Okay, he's a professor. And his H index is 41. That means he publishes almost 500 articles. Okay. He from ISI Kolkata. He is a very big guy actually. That is Jaideep Sen. So he is collaborated with so many things. He done some books also. He written some books, not nutrition books. Okay. So he's very famous, Jaideep Sen. So what is the final conclusion, ma? What is the final conclusion? Tell me. The matrix which does not have zero scale never fall in ratio level of data. Ratio level of data. This is a very important. Understood, ma, now? Till now? Can you please confirm the chat? Can you please confirm the chat? Now, if I add one more thing, levels of data, here numerical level, there are two levels will be there. What are the two levels, ma? Interval level, and one more level is what? Ratio level. Interval level and ratio level. And here, nominal and ordinal. Nominal level and ordinal level. This is the overall story till now about data types and statistics. So data type divided into numerical and categorical. Numerical again, what is that? Quantitative, qualitative. In the quantitative, discrete and continuous. And here no, that is only English. And here interval level, ratio level. Here nominal level and ordinal level. Very good. Now tell me, you tell me now. What is zero scale? What is non-zero scale? Correct only. That is a zero scale. So your height will start with 0 or negative 0? 0. Weight equal to temperature? Those so you understood zero scale, non-zero scale. Negative. Okay? Clear? So that's why non-zero scales, if you convert into other formats, what happen? The ratio will not equal. Dollar equal to rupees. Take the ratio, it will be equal. Because currency will be not in the negative. That is. You tell me other examples. You're not a kid, no? Tell me. What are the other examples? Which are having negative? Only the metrics. Tell me. What is the other metric? What is the other metric? Have non-zero scale. Non-zero scale. Tell me, other than temperature. Temperature. Other than temperature. Health. What is health? Health में सारे हो गए ना? Health, tell me, what is health? Bank balance. Bank balance is non-zero scale. Negative balance. That is a negative balance means it's not like that, ma. Negative balance in what? Your money is in negative. No, right. Money is not in negative. Tell me. What are the other things? Tell me. Suddenly will not get that matrix, right? Suddenly will not get. Okay, don't worry about suddenly. At least Google it, no? There's no bad things in Google it, okay? We are all matured guys. We are all educated, no? There is no bad thing in Google it. Only thing is if you Google the code, that is wrong. That means you are make your mind is dumb. You are make your mind is dumb. What are the metrics having negative values? Inflation. IQ also negative? Huh? Who has IQ? Negative IQ. Stocks. What stocks? Negative stocks. How can stocks is a negative? Tell me. The countdown time for satellites is a negative only, right? Countdown time for satellites. T minus 10, T minus 2, T minus 3. That is, they never count down with that. T plus 1, T plus 2, T plus 3. You know that or don't know? Why that they will do only negative count? Negative to positive? There is a reason is there, by. Not for countdown. We can count for 10 also, no? There's a reason is there. Why they will do only T minus 1, T minus 2, T minus 3 time, T minus 4 time. There is a reason is there. Okay, explore today. If you don't know these kind of things, how can you will be? Your kids will scold you. Okay, definitely. T minus 1, T minus 2. Profit and loss, that is. Okay, forget about this. So let's. So when is the Kartik Purnami? Today or yesterday? Today, right? My wife is fighting with me. It is yesterday only. So she's insisting me you don't eat non-veg. Luckily, my father came. So I bought non-veg. So I convinced her today is the Kartik Purnami. Now I will open data set, ma. You need to tell me which are the which level, okay? Which type of which column is which data type, which level of type. So you want holiday for Kartik Purnami? Huh? Visa data set. That's why some people are not came because of Kartik Purnami. Yeah, case ID, continent, education, as job experience, something is there. Ma, tell me what is the case ID? Case ID is a which level? Nominal or ordinal or interval or ratio? अरे मैं क्या बोलना तू क्या बोलता रे? Ordinal or nominal? पक्का पक्का. What happened, ma? Answer in the chat. Uma Mahesh is saying nominal. Savita saying nominal. But so many people are saying ordinal. Ordinal only, na? 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3. These ID numbers, right? You have one ID, your next two ID, third ID, fourth ID, fifth ID. And what is the continent? Continent. Continent. Asia, Africa, North America, South America. Tell me. Okay, how it be ordinal? Tell me. What is the order between Asia and Africa? Continent. So, tell me. We are all are human beings. You are Saurav, I am Omkar. We are ordinal or we are nominal? No, we are all are human beings. Where is the continent one? Where is the continent two? No, level 1 continent, level 2 continent, that is the ordinal. Level 1 continent, level 2 continent. Now tell me education. High school, masters, bachelors, ordinal. Has job experience? No or yes, that is simple. Requires job training? Number of employees? Nominal. Arre. Number of employees? Interval level or ratio level? Ratio level, interval level. As zero scale, no zero scale. Zero scale. Year of establishment. Tell me, year of establishment. First of all, it is a number, no? Number is divided to two parts, either interval level or ratio level. Zero scale. Pakka. Here is zero scale is there here. BC में क्या होता? Reverse में आता. Reverse में आता, no? Minus 200 years is there. The years will come reverse. What is my 200 BC? Before Christ. I know the definition. Tell me later. No. After 200, what should come? 20 will come. But they will count as after 200, 199 will come. Then 198. When it reaches to 1, Christ has born. Then again 1, 2, 3. That's why that's called before Christ and AD, that is. Not after Christ. Anna Domin. Okay, don't say that after Christ. Don't make your own names. That is AD. Okay. Next. Region of employment. Tell me, north, south, east, west. Prevailing wage. Ratio only. Unit of hours. Unit of wages. Yes, full time. Cash status. Yeah, so many will take as the ordinal only, right here. Ordinal and ratio level. Then you are good. Great, ma. Something you learn. Very great. Next. So there are two textbooks is there, ma. One is Open Intro Statistics. Open Intro Statistics. And another one is called Ken Black. Open Intro Statistics and Ken Black. Very, very good books. If you want to become a good data scientist, at least you need to read one of this book. Ken Black and Open Intro. I know you don't have a habit to read the books. That is, we are all in one batch. That I know. What is the all in one name? Sharda. Spectrum. I know Spectrum. Okay. But at least read the Open Intro Statistics book. Let's see. Open Intro Statistics. Let's open the textbook. Open Intro Statistics. That is you can available, that is in the Google also, ma. But I will upload that is. Yeah, Open Intro Statistics. What happened this? Okay, let's open here only. Open Intro Statistics PDF free download. John Hopkins University. It's coming. Open Intro Statistics. Very, very good book, ma. Approximately 400, 500 lines of pages. You can study 2-3 times easily. That is. Yeah, I studied 2 times. The more you studied, the more concepts you know. That is connecting the dots. You'll get. If you study the textbooks only, then only your concepts will be clear, ma. If you are not study the textbooks, you are become very, very dumb. Because I am not the God. I am not only the trainer available. Okay, this is the internet world, right? There's so many good trainings are there, good trainers are there, good textbooks are there. So I just guide you because this textbook is useful. In order to you go roam all over the world, I can give the correct point of contact. Okay, so this textbook is very, very easy and useful, ma. So at least you need to study. Introduction to data, summarizing the data, probability, random variables, that all we will learn. All we will learn. Foundation of inference, inference of categorical data, everything we will learn. Now you just go to here. Just go to here. You given some case study starting. Using stent to prevent strokes. You need to understand the data because we are a data scientist, right? We need to understand, we need to read the case status. We need to understand what that data is providing for this. So he's saying that some patient number ID group 0 to 30, 0 to 365. And next, given some practice studies. Okay, we can compute the summary of statistics that we need to using Python. That is. And next, data basics. What is observations? What is variables? What is data matrices? These are names, right? What is the variables? Column name is called variables. What are the observations? Rows are nothing but a observation that you already know. If you read like this means your concepts are clear now. If you read one time. Now you given the variable description also. You given some practice questions. The answers will be in the below. That's some kind of data. Now see all the variables are how many types? Numerical type, categorical type, continuous data, discrete data that you learn today. Now just open and study it. Open and study it. Open the Kindle, mark with pencil or paint something. What are the highlight points or note down the highlighted points. So like that you need to study some distribution. This is the one textbook now. And another textbook is called Ken Black. Business Statistics, Ken Black. Okay. Ken Black. It is also very, very good book. Ken Black. So I actually what happened, I studied one book. The chapter is not good in one book. Then I went to another book. That corresponding chapter is good in this book. I like that I studied different books. Maybe it is chapter wise or complete chapter wise. So some sort of story. Not only that, I use so many reference materials. Stanford, CS 231, like that. Like suppose it is a deep learning for computer vision, it is a class name. Computer Science 231 batch. Computer Science 232 batch. Like Stanford University materials also available. You can open that. It is a complete computer vision from Stanford's. Code description. Lectures will be available. Lecture videos will be available. Office hours will be available. Contacts will be available. Prerequisite is Python. Class course notes. You can click on the course notes. Assignment 1 image classification. Python NumPy tutorial. You can open this. And there's a Jupyter notebooks available. Everything is available. Everything is available. See, Stanford University videos you available online. So much resources are available. The sad part is you are not doing file handling assignment session. How can you do all these things? That is. Now, if I click on here, Python versions or basic data types or containers. So you can print this and you can explore that. Everything is there. Those who are spending lakhs of money, crores of money in Stanford University, those who are invented Facebook or Apple or Google, whatever is, they are coming from either Stanford or MIT or Oxford, right? Those who are learning there, that already available resources are available. So everything, PPTs will say available, everything will be available. That is. Not only that, there are good, Khan Academy is a very, very good for statistics. Khan Academy is very, very good for statistics. That is. And not only that, there's a guy is called Leonardo. It's not a DiCaprio, okay? Leonard Statistics. This guy is awesome. Leonard Statistics, this guy is very, very awesome. Okay, the best teacher you can get in YouTube is called Leonard. That is statistics. When you listen their classes, you'll understand their students how much dumb. If they ask in root 25, they'll take calculator and they will do root 25. Okay. So this is a Leonard. He's a very, very great statistics lecturer. That is. Now I given the statistics, how many resources I given now? 4 or 5 resources I given, right? Like that also I will give more resources. The only thing is the come out from your side. Are you reading? Are you following? That is one concept you are not understanding. Then go for Khan Academy. Then go for Leonardo. Then go for MIT. Search for MIT. Search for NPTEL. Understand that. Share in the WhatsApp group. This concept is very good in this. This guy is explaining very good. Share that in WhatsApp group. Others will helpful. That is. Whatever you do, we are one batch. We need to learn together. We need to grow together. Okay. If I'm teaching something in class, suppose you people are doing, suppose Surendra or Kumar, they are doing some different ideas. They are giving that or not. Like that, we can able to learn, no? Like that, everyone should come in the proactive in the class. So this material is coming good. This guy is very great actually. The series is available. Okay. I listen this guys also, this guy videos also. I don't have no job when I am studying. Only one job. I skipped my job and everything for 1 year, take a break. I went to IIT, I studied everything. Then what you are doing, like 4 months, 5 months? That's the only question yourself. Okay. So many resources are there. Now note down all these resources. Khan Academy, Leonard, 6th grade, mean mode median. This guy is awesome, ma. This guy is awesome. That is. There is a stringling is there. Vectors MIT. This guy. I know this guy is alive or not. This guy is very, very famous, ma. Okay. This guy is. His name is Strilling something is there. His name is Strang, Gilbert Strang. Very, very famous. You know, he teach like a hell. Like you will understand if you understand the logic while he's teaching, you will shock. Like that he will teach. Eigenvectors and like simple mathematics, if you want to learn data science related, algebra we require, right? Follow this guy. Okay, Gilbert String. He's from MIT lecturer. Like so many resources are there, ma. It is the internet world. It is the internet world. Only the thing is you need to understand the concept. That is Gilbert Strang. STRANG. Okay. Say Utkarsh is saying now mmath.mit.ed. So like that, share in the WhatsApp groups. Explore your beautiful, beautiful videos. That is, pick one point of contact. So I understood this point of contact teaching very well, this subject. Because we want to grow till generative AI, right? We're not stopping till Python. We are doing statistics, machine learning. Machine learning also so many concepts are there. Deep learning also so many concepts are there that are very, very tough concepts to understand. I am here to there, but I am saying that I am not only the point of contact to you. I am not only the God. There's so many beautiful, beautiful trainers are there in the outside of the world. So understood that point. So even I learned from IIT lecturers, but I also learned other sources, right? I will still I have tomorrow I will bring my notes. There are 4 or 5 notes I have made. 4 or 5 notes when I'm studying. Now, how many are making notes? So that should coverage, ma. That should come. Okay. Making the notes and everything. Sir, can you get his resources here? Yeah. Gilbert Stein. Okay. He's very, very famous, ma. Always follow the outside authors, ma. I'm not blaming the Indian authors, but Indian authors always copy from our other textbooks only. That I understood when I studied in my BTech subjects. Okay. I understood. You know, in the local authors will be there. They will, if you take their compare the textbook, they are copy from the foreign authors only. That is. If you read the foreign authors book only, then all. Because what happened? The thing is, sad thing is, we will not understand because we are not habituated to read. If you are habituated to read, you will be able to understand their terminology. But we are our local native, right? That's why the local authors making cash. They'll copy that and they'll make you to understand. Okay, that is nothing bad, but something you'll miss the concepts, important concepts. That is. Yeah, great. Like that, you need to post my encourage. That is. I will also learn live with you. If anyone post a new thing, I will go and I will search whether it's coming good or not. So some previous batches, other batches also, they can get that helpful. So only thing is explore and learn and grow together. That is the only thing is the mantra. Yeah. I am very open, ma. I am very open because I learn like this. I successful like this. I am open to all. I am not like that other trainers. I only invented everything. I only done everything. Okay. I am not only the point of contact. Always remember that. Next. So these textbooks and materials, I will upload in the statistics, Google Classroom. Okay. I will upload that. Upload in Google Classroom. But statistics, if you understand statistics, next machine learning is very easy, ma. So that's why more focus on the statistics concept. Try to solve the questions. Try to solve the questions. Try to solve the questions here after ending the exercise. Yeah. Next thing, ma. Now in elections are going Telangana, right? Suppose I have one team. Again, I have one team is there. I have one team is there. In the team, I have 5 members or my students are there, 5 members. I ask them, do a survey and conclude which party will come to ruling in Telangana. Which party will come? This is the task. This is the task. What you will do? What this team will do? What this team will do? It will go to public, right? It will go to public and it will ask. That is. They will say that either XYZ party or ABC party. Like that. Now what happened? Based on this only, we have 2 things are there. One is population. Another versus sample. Population versus sample. What is the population? Tell me. What is the population? Population nothing but people. Oh, you're great. Population nothing but people. That's the English word. Okay, tell me in statistics. A population is nothing but a large group. Large group. Large group of not people, ma. Large group of anything. Large group of anything. Like each and every item, each and every element in the world or in the universe, it is a population. So let's take one example. Suppose you can take like this. Suppose population is, suppose you take, suppose entire world is population. Entire world is nothing but a population. Here not population, I am saying that it is not only people. Maybe it is houses, maybe it is the trees, large amount of trees, large amount of items, large amount of stars. If you go to the universe, that everything is a population. If you take entire world is a population, the America, only America, if you consider America is a sample. Only American people you consider what? It is a sample. Understood? If you take entire population, suppose you take entire Asia is a population, entire Asia is a population, then in that India is what? Sample. India is what? Sample. Understood now? India is a sample. So you need to decide first what is your population. You need to decide that first. Suppose India is my population, then what is Telangana? Then Telangana is population. What is Hyderabad? Then Hyderabad is a population. What is Amirpet? Then Amirpet is a population. What is Naresheti? Naresheti is a population. What is the 4th floor? 4th floor is a population. What is the 401? Like that. Understand now population versus sample means? What you are considering is a population. Out of that, a small object you are selecting is called sample. Out of that, you are selecting what is called sample. Now, if I ask you to, now tell me, is population really exist? Is population really exist? Is population really exist? Population never exist. You say I have 100 crores, I will say that 100 plus 1, right? Are you getting what I'm saying is called? Population is a myth. Population will only in the textbooks. Population will never exist in the real world. That's why people will work on only on samples. People will work on only on samples. In Telangana, there are 4 crores people are there. Will you ask each and every people? Why? Tell me. Why you will not ask each and every people? What is the problem? Time. Next. Resources. Next. Money. Time and resource and money. There are three are very, very important. This time and resource or money is not enough to do work on the population. That's why population is always on the paper only. You never work on population. You never work on population. Understood? Will you go to all 700 crores, all the population entire the world? No, right? You'll never go. You'll never go. That is, you never go on the population, that is. So population is a just myth. Population is only on the paper. You will never work on the population. But you will assume there is a population is there, and whatever you are working, that is considered as a sample. Okay, what mean ma? We'll assume there is a population, but will work on samples. Will work on samples. So now you went to, so suppose what happened, my people, my team selected some people. My people selected some people in Telangana state, and they concluded. How can they will say that, sir, we observed most of the people say some XYZ party. So in Telangana, what do you say, ma? In Telangana, XYZ party will come into the picture. Like that you will say or not? That means you worked on sample and you are telling on whom? Population. Because Telangana is your population. You will work on India, some people, and you will say conclude about whom? India only, right? In India, some XYZ party will come. Like that. This guy will become a prime minister. That means we will work on sample and will estimate outcome on population. And this outcome, one more name is called inference. What is the name? Inference. That means we will work on sample and will infer the population. We will work on sample and we will infer the population. And this type of statistics is called inferential statistics. Inferential statistics. What is the statistics, ma? Inferential statistic. That means you will work on the sample and you will tell about the population. Now you can Google it. What is inference? What is the inference meaning? Inference. Tell me, what is the inference meaning? A conclusion reached on the basis of evidence or reasoning. The process of inferring something. Infer means what? You are estimating the something based on depends on other thing. So generally we will work on sample and we will estimate on the population. So that is called inferential statistics. Inferential statistics. And one more statistics called descriptive statistics. Descriptive statistics. So descriptive means will work on population and will estimate also on population only. Will estimate on population. So this will not happen. This will not happen. Descriptive statistics might happen. You will go each and every person in the Telangana, 4 crore people, you will go and tell about the Telangana. Tell about the Telangana. That is not possible, right? That type is called what? Descriptive. Descriptive statistics. And this is nothing but a inferential statistics. It is the inferential statistics. So this is the statistics part 1 basics. Ma. So what we covered generally, tell me what we covered. What is statistics? What is statistics? Tell me. Collection, organization, analysis. It's a kind of a cinema dialogue, no? Fire is the fire. Fire will be fire. I am the fire. What is statistics? Done. Next, we'll learn about the types of data. Types of data. In the types of data, what we learn? Yeah, numerical type and categorical type. Categorical. And numerical type again we are calling what? The discrete and discrete versus continuous. Continuous. And next what we learn? Levels of data. Levels of data. In the levels of data, what we learn? Nominal level, nominal level, nominal level, ordinal level, and interval level, and ratio level. Very good. And then we learn about what? Population versus population versus sample. And then we learn about the inferential statistics, inferential versus descriptive. So this is a basic. Everyone understood? Easy? Statistics easy, Python easy. That is only easy. Which is easy, ma? Statistics, you know about statistics, ma. Statistics, like, you know, it is like a water. You don't know how much is depth. Okay. Once you go in the statistics, you will not come out of that. Let's see the PPT. What is there? Statistics is the science of collecting, organizing, presenting, analyzing, interpreting. That you know. While study the statistics, that everyone can say that. And descriptive statistics, inferential statistics, population versus sample, and then types of variable, qualitative, quantitative, discrete, continuous. This is a summary. And then 4 levels: nominal, interval level, ordinal, ratio level. And nominal level data, ordinal level data, interval level data, ratio, and summary. That is. So this is the statistics part 1. Classroom notes available, PPT will be available, textbook will be available, YouTube resources will be available. Which one you want to refer, you can refer that. But only the thing is, my student should be perfect in the statistics. If I ask some question, they should say the answer. That's all. Not only this, in the coming future concepts also. Okay. If those who know statistics, they will definitely become a good data scientist. Definitely, no doubt at all. Definitely. So now, if you want to start a like lecturers from your side in the LinkedIn also, it is welcome. You can use my PPTs, but don't copy exactly like this. Take the information, create your own PPT, and publish every day in the LinkedIn. That means you are teaching the statistics to other people. So this is today I learned day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4. This is today I learned. If you want to do that also, I'm welcome. Just copy that and paste it and submit it. Or if you want to write in your handwriting and take a PDF and submit it, you can submit it. But if you want to start like that also, you can start it. Kuch bhi karo, but perfect karo. You should be perfect in the statistics. Challenge accepted. Say loudly. Say loudly, ma. Those who are in Mumbai, Chennai, Nagpur. Tell me. Yes, very good. Yeah. See you tomorrow. Tomorrow is the chapter number 2. Thank you. Thank you so much, ma. Today is Kartik Purnami, right? So need to go early. Yesterday I had non-veg. Yeah. Bye. చెప్పమ్మా